Okay, number 3 ay x plus 1 over y minus 1. That's for number 3. So the slope or the dy over dx is equal to this one, x plus 1 over y minus 1. Okay, separation of variables have the integral of y minus 1 dy is equal to the integral of x plus 1 dx. So the integral of this part ay magiging y, okay, y squared over 2 minus y is equal to, ito naman ay x squared over 2 plus x plus the constant. Okay, to eliminate the what we called 1 over 2 or the denominator 2, just multiply the whole equation into 2. So probably matatanggal yan, yung mga denominator, at madadagdag or mamumultiply yung mga 2 sa mga walang denominator. So the final answer is y squared minus 2y is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 2c. Or we can transpose itong mga y sa part na to. So pwede rin x squared minus y squared plus 2x plus 2y plus the 2c. So this is the final answer.